5 Unknown Facts About SpaceX. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has revolutionized space travel. But did you know these 5 fascinating and lesser-known facts about the aerospace giant? Let's take a closer look. Fact number 1. SpaceX's first rocket was developed in a warehouse. SpaceX didn't start off with huge factories and high-tech facilities. In fact, the company's first rocket, the Falcon 1, was built inside a small warehouse in El Segundo, California. This humble beginning is a testament to SpaceX's resourcefulness and determination to break into the space industry. Fact number 2. SpaceX almost went bankrupt. In 2008, SpaceX was on the verge of bankruptcy after 3 consecutive Falcon 1 rocket failures. With only enough funds for one last launch, the stakes were incredibly high. But against the odds, the 4th launch was a success, securing a crucial contract with NASA and saving the company from financial collapse. Fact 3. SpaceX is developing a fully reusable rocket for Mars. SpaceX has bigger plans than just launching satellites. The company is working on Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for deep space missions, including transporting humans to Mars. This ambitious project could one day make humanity an interplanetary species. Fact number 4. SpaceX is the first private company to send astronauts to the ISS. In May 2020, SpaceX made history by becoming the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station aboard the Crew Dragon spacecraft. This marked a significant milestone in space exploration, paving the way for future commercial spaceflight. Fact number 5. SpaceX's rocket landings weren't always perfect. Today, SpaceX's rocket landings seem almost routine, but they didn't always go smoothly. The first attempts to land the Falcon 9 booster on a drone ship ended in fiery crashes. After multiple trials and errors, SpaceX perfected the technology, which now allows them to reuse rockets, significantly reducing the cost of space missions.